What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another edition of Project Escalade. Today what I'm going to be doing is reviewing the Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit. So it comes with the lubricant, the headlight restorer compound, and the sealant. It also comes with 3 sanding pads in different grits. So let's follow the instructions here. First, we're going to apply the lubricant, and then we're going to use the first sanding pad. We're gonna go in an X pattern. I wish these sanding pads were bigger. They're kind of hard to hold. I'm curious to see how this comes out. Claims it makes your lenses crystal clear. What I should have done is taped off the surrounding area, but this was kind of a last minute thing and I just got right into it. So this here is the second sanding pad. So we're gonna add more lubricant, and now we're gonna go in a up and down, side to side pattern. So we're gonna add more lubricant, and now we have the third sanding pad. So we're gonna go back to the X pattern. As I'm sanding this, it looks like a lot of that haze is being removed. Putting some more of that lubricant on there. Next step is to add the headlight restorer compound. We're going to add this in a circular motion. Directions say just to add water to get all the excess compound off. I just threw Windex on there to get it off. So now the last step is to apply the sealant. Looking good so far. So it looks a lot better than it was. It's not crystal clear. You can kind of see a little bit of a haze to it. It's not like a new headlight, but I mean, it does the job. It looks a lot better than what it was, especially for a $20 product. So this is a before. That's the after. I mean, you can definitely tell the difference, especially in that side marker. You couldn't even see the orange before. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it a 6. So let's see how long this lasts. Okay, so this is 2 weeks later. 2 weeks later, and it's kind of back to the original state. Not exactly, but it didn't stay clear. So what I'm gonna do now is add a little bit more of the sealant, and this should bring it back to its clarity. So with this kit here, you have to keep adding the sealant so the lens can stay clear. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can get this off Amazon on sale right now. Be sure and check that out. Be sure and check out all my other product reviews, all my other Escalade project videos. Thanks for watching. Check you on the next one.